Hello, this is Timo from ProductiveSuperdad.com, and today I wanted to share a quick tip on how to keep your WordPress plugins up to date. Now, the thing is that there are lots of WordPress plugins out there, and a plugin is a great way to expand the functionality of your WordPress installation. But obviously, you just have to keep those plugins up to date because there are lots of security fixes, lots of bug fixes, and it's not just enough to install a plugin. So in order to keep your installation up to date with a minimal effort, I recommend that you do the following. First of all, pick a date. Let's say that every Sunday you decide to update all your plugins at once. And this is basically what I do. I have a weekly meeting with myself where I go through these plugins and check out the updates and then install those bug fixes and security fixes and all those things. But instead of doing those installations one by one, I have one certain date when I do those updates on Sundays, and then I go to this special URL on my WordPress blog. And if you take a look at this address on the URL bar here, you see that there is, first of all, there is my domain name, but then the rest of this address, like this one here, that's basically how you get an access to your plugins page. So just modify this part of the domain name or the address accordingly, depending on what your domain name is, and then add this rest of this address to your URL, so you get access to your plugins page. And as you can see, the page looks like this, and all you have to do is to click select all, so that all the plugins are now selected. And when you click update plugins, the update process starts. So let me click this button here. So it takes a while. And now, as you can see, all the 5 plugins are now updated with just a couple of, well, maybe a minute maximum what it took. But as you can see, it's a very simple and easy way to keep all the plugins up to date. And now what I'm doing here is that I'm returning back to the plugins page, and as you can see that, well, I have plenty of plugins, but as you can see that the graphics or the balloon with a number indicating how many plugins needs to be updated, this graphics is now gone. So this is a very simple and easy way to keep all your WordPress plugins up to date. Let me just go to this plugins update page once again, and as you can see that it says your plugins are all up to date. So this was the simple tip that I wanted to share with you. Bye bye.